Hi, I'm Charlie and I'm 10. My mum and dad moved here when I was just a few months before I was born. So I'm guessing that means this garden is also 10. This garden has had trampolines, sand pits, football posts all throughout the 10 years. But my mum likes to use it for relaxation, enjoyment and happiness. We also have areas like a sitting area, a woodland area and a chicken area. This is a water feature that my family is making. So we've got an old sink, some stones that we picked up from the garden, and we're getting the area ready to put some pond plants around and inside, like the black butt. We have put all of the plants in the places where we want them, but before I put some stones on, I'm going to see if the flow of the fountain works and is not getting blocked by any of the plants. So here is our fountain. All I have to do is put some stones in. So this is it so far. We're going to put a trough at the front of it for some flowers to go in. And because we can't get power up here at the top of the garden, we've got a solar panel over there, and where the solar panel is, it's like a trap of sunlight.